What is up, guys? Welcome back to a new video. So anyway, today I'm going to be showing you guys some really weird slimes that I made like a year ago. And I was like 6 months ago, but still, they're weird. So let me get them and you will see them in 3, 2, 1. Oh, wow, that was an awesome transition. One sec, let me get it. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you guys them. So this is the first one. So this is the first one. It has crust on it because it's so old. So yeah, that's the first one. Here's the second one. Feel this. This one, it's really old. But yeah, it's still really good. Actually, my really good friend Sophie made this one. And last but not least, this rubber. Well, sorry, there's a glitch. That's it for this video. Hope you guys liked it. I know it's short. Bye, guys.